Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Zen Browser in your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then into the search option, search for Zen Browser. And you will get Zen Browser over here. You will get the website, click on the Zen Browser and you can simply click on download. After you will get this option called download for Windows. If you click on it, the download will be started and it's about 83.6 MB. It will take some seconds to complete. So as you can see, the download has been completed, and now if we click on it 2 times and minimize the browser, there will be Zen extracting. After taking a little time, Zen Browser setup wizard will be pops up, and here you can simply click on next. And if you want to choose the type of setup you prefer, you can simply click on custom, or you can leave as standard. Well, in custom, that will be for another video. For now, I will go for standard and then simply click next and install. After a short time, the Zen Browser setup will be completed, and now if we click on finish, it will open Zen Browser and you can simply click on this enter button, and now we are in Zen Browser. Right, I'm going to skip it and going to click on next another time and dive in. That's it. And as you can see, our Zen Browser is rightly open in our computer. You can simply do your browsing in Zen. It's a very useful browser. If you need any of suggestions how you can use it, how you can bring the maximum profit from this Zen Browser, then leave a comment into the video comment section. Then I will make another video how you can do it. For that today, thank you so much. Hope you see another video. Till then, goodbye.